In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add loops from BandLab sounds to your project in BandLab. First, head to BandLab on your computer or mobile device and log into your account. Being signed in ensures your work is saved and synced, and it gives you access to the features we're using today. Once you're in, go to your library. This is where all your projects live, so it's the natural starting point for jumping back into a track you've already begun. Open your project and then click on Studio. Studio is the main workspace where you arrange, edit, and mix your tracks. Give it a moment to load your session so that everything is ready for you to add sounds. Now let's find loops. Look for the BandLab Sounds or Browse Loops button. On desktop, you'll typically see it in the bottom right corner. On mobile, look for the loop icon within the track area. Tap or click that, and the library of free loops and samples will open. This collection is organized and curated to make it quick to find material that matches your vibe, whether you're building a beat, adding texture, or filling out a chorus. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your workflow so you can stay focused on the music. When you've found a loop you want to use, add it directly to your project. Just click and drag the loop from the library onto an empty track or drop it into any empty space in the Arrange window. BandLab will automatically create a new track for that loop and place it where you dropped it. The smart part is that BandLab also adjusts the loop's tempo and key to match your project, so you don't have to worry about technical mismatches. This keeps everything musical and cohesive, and it speeds up your creative process. If you don't see access to the loops or you're prompted to join, remember that you need a BandLab membership to use BandLab sounds, samples, and loops. Membership unlocks this library, so make sure you have it active if you plan to build with these sounds. If you're not using the loops, you can still work with your own recordings and MIDI tracks in the same studio view, and that's all there is to it. Log in, open your project in Studio, open BandLab Sounds or Browse Loops, and drag the loop straight into your session. With the automatic tempo and key matching, you'll be able to shape ideas quickly and keep your project sounding tight and musical.